take a video so I can put it on the thing. I'll give you mine.
Figure out which pocket.
Like, I've got mine, so.
You can go by the.
No, I'm okay.
I guess we don't want to get too close to him, right?
Yeah, if you would have kind of come over this way, that way there's nothing, to scare him from in front of us. You can kind of just come out and then hit the hills.
Or the tree.
Big red button.
Thanks.
Got it?
Do you want it on slow-mo?
Yes, I do, because then you know how it goes. It's 5 seconds. The slow-mo makes the video a little bit longer.
Let me know when you want me to start.
Let me take a peek first, figure out which side he's on, and then I'll, he's facing that way, so we're good. Ready, guys? That's it. Perfect.
Didn't exactly go.
Nope. I did not expect. I guess I could have screwed it back a little bit.
Well, he just roused.
It is what it is.
Mailbox car.
Yeah. Whoops.
Well, there you go.
Yeah, all the little birds are headed for the hills.
Yep.
Do you think they kind of recognize the area if they